Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a bloom, 6x6 tile, and I'm going to do turquoise with some gold. I did some turquoise with silver last one of my other videos, and everybody seemed to like it. Someone mentioned try it with just gold, so let's see how that goes. All right, so put some of my Glidden Essentials mixed with a bit of premium, and then I've just left the lid off to let it thicken up. So we'll see how this goes. It seems to be a bit better today. So we'll give it a try. Okay. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. Just click the bell, click all, and you'll receive notifications when I do new videos. Give me a thumbs up if you want, comment below. It all helps my channel grow so I can keep bringing you guys some videos. Okay, so the first one I'm going to put down is Golden Teal and DecoArt Bahama Blue mixed together. It's opaque. I'm gonna do I think I'll put the gold second from the top. All right, let's put TLP Mermaid and PBO Blue Green. This is DecoArt Pearl White Metallic. Oops. Now I'll put the gold. This is 24 karat gold by DecoArt. One of my favorite golds. And this is Amsterdam Bluish Green. Let's see how this will look. I think I'll do black and white together. Come on, it's stuck. That's good when it makes a halo. All right, let's give her a go. pretty. I think my consistency of my paint is much better now, of my pillow paint. So I got some gorgeous cells, and it does look awesome with the gold. Wow. A little too much white there, but that's okay. Look how gorgeous that is. Beautiful cells. That just makes my eyes happy. Just want the center to come in a little bit more. Perfect. So perfect when it all moves like that. I love the dark blue around the outside. Okay. Time to give her a spin. Getting there. I just need this to... Okay, look at that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And I love the little white negative space. This makes me so happy. The gold didn't sink. It's showing up nicely. The The middle is moving a little bit more than I want, so I need to spin it. I don't want to lose too much of that negative space, but I might have to, because if I leave that moving or thick in the middle, it might move as it dries. And you can tell by stick your skewer here. And then compare it to the edge. The edge is a lot thinner. Not by too much right now, but I hope this is good enough. Large cells today. Yeah, it's moving. Okay. One more little spin and I'm going to leave it. There, I lost most of my negative space, but I got some gold negative space. Okay, let's see how this dries, and I'll put the dry result at the end of my video. Have a great day, everybody. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. It dried really good. Really like this. Look at the gold in that one. That's very pretty. I like the big cells. It's very pretty. Nothing moved either. Thanks for watching and have a great day.